Here is a sample LLMOps tech stack. Starting with the bottom, the data layer, which is the foundation of any LLMOps setup. So it includes all the tools around data warehousing, data processing, anything that you do with data transformation, retrieving the data from multiple sources. Everything falls under this layer. Some of the platforms and tools that are part of this layer are like Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Databricks, or some of the data platforms that fall in this layer. Pinecone helps you as a vector database where you store your embeddings. Amazon Redshift acts as a data warehouse solution. Azure Blob Storage offers a object storage, and so on. Above this bottom layer is the modeling layer. This is where all your machine learning models are trained, tuned, and served. It also has the predictive models, the ML experimentation layer, and also all the generative AI models and applications are in this layer. Or the LLM platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic, the maker of Cloud, Llama, Cohere, Mistral, everything comes here. And also the cloud-based ML platforms like Amazon SageMaker, Vertex AI from GCP, Microsoft Azure, TensorFlow also comes into this layer. Hugging Face, which is a model repository, also comes in the modeling layer. Above modeling is the orchestration, which is the abstraction layer, because typically LLM applications work with multiple LLMs. So it could be using OpenAI APIs, for example. At the same time, it could be using a fine-tuned Llama model that is running on a GPU. Tools like LangChain, Llama Index, Homegrown, etc. will help you build this orchestration layer. On the top is the AI observability layer. So since I took it from fiddler.ai website, it highlights this layer, but it can be comprised of any tool or any platform. But the purpose of this layer is to give you a visibility of the operational performance of your LLM application. It also has the evaluation capabilities and interpretability or explainability of models. It also helps you implement the AI feedback loop and implement the governance controls. This is another way of looking at the LLMOps tech stack. Similar to what we saw before, the bottom one is the storage, which consists of your data lake or warehouse or even the lakehouse. It has the repository of models. It has a feature store if you are building one for your machine learning applications. It also has VectorDB, which stores the embeddings specific to the LLMs. The layer above is the compute layer, where all the training happens, experimentation of model, and even the model serving either as APIs or using SDK is offered in this layer. Some of the components specific to compute are fine-tuning components, the prompt engineering layer, and also the foundational model APIs. Everything is part of the compute. Lastly, at the top, the observability layer helps you with testing your models, evaluating, debugging whenever you see any issue, monitoring, and so on. In the next video, which is the last video of this course, I'll give you some information about useful resources that you can go through and also the next steps. See you in the next video.